Hello everybody, Smokety Smokes here. We're going to be doing a tobacco review on Perique. Pure Perique that you mix into other tobaccos. This is not a blend, this is just pure Perique. Now this stuff people describe as being spicy or peppery, having a bite to it or something. Yes, but if you smell it, you'll be surprised at how odd it smells. Ugh, wow, it smells like some sort of fuel or cleaner or something. Not a fan of the smell. From the bag anyway. People say it's like a dark fruit sweetness, I suppose, but it's also a spicy taste. It has a spicy, peppery, and a dark fruit sweet thing. Now, the flavor of Perique changes dramatically based on what kind of blend you're putting it in. I've put this in a blend with Cavendish and Virginia's, and it tasted so salty. It was horrible. It probably was because I put too much Perique in there, but still, it was a salty flavor. It was gross. Terrible, like too much baking soda and cookies or something. That's what it tasted like. Now, I put this in blends that did not have Cavendish in them. It was just like Virginia's and Burley. I put some Perique in there. It just gave it like a little peppery note to it. It was pretty good. And then I've put it into another blend that had black Cavendish, not a toasted Cavendish or whatever it was called. I forget the name of the Cavendish that was in that other blend I talked about. But pure black Cavendish I put this with, and Virginia's, it had that dark, fruity, odd flavor. It wasn't a good flavor. It was odd and weird. I didn't like it. So on pipesandscigars.com, they describe Perique as being a chameleon. It will blend in and change its flavor completely based on what you put it in. I completely agree with that, and I learned that before reading that too. I learned, like, if you put Perique in a certain blend, it will change completely. It's really odd, but basically it's a dark fruit and peppery thing. It's a condiment tobacco. If you're making your own tobacco, only put a pinch of it in the bowl. Don't grab a whole thing of it. Don't make it a third. Don't make it a fourth of the blend. Make it even less. Probably an eighth or less than that if you can of Perique. If you just want to add a little bit of spiciness, a little bit of zest, a little bit of something interesting into the whole blend. Too much will be awful. So Perique is not to be used straight. You're not supposed to smoke it straight. I didn't even smoke it straight yet. I don't really want to try it. It's probably going to be horrible, but it's a very, very strong, full flavored tobacco, and it's a very peppery, very strong, kind of sweet, but at the same time it's not. It's odd, but I do like putting in tobaccos to make them more interesting, so not just like a creamy sweetness. I want a little bit of spiciness in there, so it's like spicy and sweet. Yeah, so that is what Perique tastes like. I don't know why I had so much trouble saying that.